Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine in your homes. Class, please tell me what is the day today? Today is Thursday, 17 December 2020. Very good. Okay, students, tell me what is the weather like today? Today is sunny weather. Well done. Okay, students, this is your English period. Now, first of all, we sing some rhymes. Then we start ABC song. Okay, students, start. Rhymes. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Well done. Come on, students, start. Head, shoulder, knee and toes. Head, shoulder, knee and toes. Eyes, ear, mouth and nose. Eyes, ear, mouth and nose. We are growing, we are grow. Day by day, day by day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well done. Okay, students. Now we revise sentence of the week. Excuse me, Mama. Please give me a glass of water. Once again, come on, revise, students. Excuse me, Mama. Please give me a glass of water. This is your sentence of the week. Okay, students, start ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Come on, start phonics. Okay, students, now we start phonics. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Students, this is your English reader. Come on, open it and start reading. Come on, start. This is capital Y and this is small y. Y says yo-yo, yak, yogurt, yawn. Now we learn this is capital Z and this is small z. Z says zoo, zebra. Well done. Zip. Very good. Zero. Okay, I hope you understand my video. Okay, students, this is your English period and this is your English workbook. Come on, open it and start work.
Good morning, students. How are you? Students, this is your English workbook and today we are going to write letter Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. Come on, students, open your book. Well done, students. This is capital Z and this is small z. First of all, color all these pictures. Alright, and then write letter Z. Students, now first of all, make a capital Z. For making a capital Z, start from the top and make a slipping line towards the right. And then make a slipping line down. Well done. Make a slanting line down. Now again draw a slipping line towards the right. Well done, students. This is capital Z. Now we are going to write small z. Start from the middle and make a slipping line down. And then make a slanting line down. And make a slipping line towards the right. Well done, students. This is small z. Well done, students. I hope you understand my video. Allah Hafiz.